In this video, we'll cover how to calculate mean, median, mode, and range, and why they're important. Let's start off by understanding the definitions of mean, median, and mode. Mean, median, and mode are three different ways to measure the central tendency of a dataset. They're important in data analysis because they help summarize a dataset and make it easier to understand. The mean, also known as the average, is the sum of all values divided by the number of values in a dataset. To calculate the mean, add up all the values and divide by the total number of values. For example, if you have a dataset of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the mean would be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. 5 equals 3. The median is the middle value of a dataset when arranged in ascending order.
To find the median, order the numbers and see which one is in the middle of the list. 3, 3, 6, 13, 100. The median is 6. If there are two middle values, the median is halfway between them. This might not be a whole number. The mode is the value that occurs most frequently in a dataset. The mode is the number that appears the most. To find the mode, order the numbers lowest to highest and see which number appears the most often. 3, 3, 6, 13, 100. The mode is 3.
The range is the difference between the maximum and minimum values in a dataset.
To find the range, subtract the lowest number from the biggest number. 3, 3, 6, 13, 100. 100 minus 3 equals 97. The range is 97. Mean, median, mode, and range are all important measures of central tendency and spread in a dataset.